Okay, it's that time again. Math notes 2.2.3, point slope equations for lines. All right, point slope equations for lines, just another form of a linear function. You're probably most used to slope intercept form, which is our classic y equals mx plus b, so-called because our m is our slope and our b is our y intercept, okay? But point slope is another form, often more useful form, particularly when we start talking about other functions and how they get shifted around the graph. So if you think about y equals x as a parent function or as a mother function, then the graphing form for that family of linear functions can be written as y equals a times x minus h plus k. So the h would be our horizontal shift, the k would be our vertical shift, and the a would dictate our slope or steepness, okay? When the equation of a linear function is in the form of y minus k equals a times x minus h, it is often called point slope form. So to get from here to here, we subtract k from each side, okay? So that yields y minus k equals a times x minus h, which is point slope form, all right? And it contains the point h comma k and has a slope of a. So here's our point, here's our slope, hence point slope form. For example, if you know a line contains 7, negative 8, and has a slope of negative 4, then the equation of the line can be written as y minus negative 8 equals negative 4 times x minus 7. And if we have the double negative, we make that positive. So that's y plus 8 equals negative 4 times x minus 7. Now, if you wanted to put that into slope-intercept form, which you might want to do, all you have to do is distribute that negative 4. So we'd have y plus 8 equals negative 4x plus 28. Subtract 8 from each side, and we get y equals negative 4x plus 20. Would give you the same graph of the same line in a different form, which would be slope-intercept form. All right, let's look at another example. A lot of times you'll be given these where it just says find the linear equation through 2 points. Maybe those 2 points are 2, 10, and 5, negative 1. Notice I had to come back in and rewrite the word linear because if you just know 2 points, you can fit any curve through there. But in this case, we want to find a linear equation. All right, so we know our equation is y minus k equals a times x minus h. We're going to use, I don't know, call this h and k. But we don't have the a, so we got to find that. A is our slope. So remember the slope equation. In this case, I'll call it a is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So let's say negative 1 minus 10 over 5 minus 2. Negative 1 minus 10 is negative 11, and that's 3. So our slope of this line is negative 11 over 3. And we're going to plug that into our equation. So we have y minus, our k value is 10. Our a value is negative 11 thirds. X minus 2. And we are done. That is our equation in point slope form. I want you guys to do the same thing for the practice problem there. Find the linear equation through negative 2, negative 5, and 4, negative 7. That is a positive 4, negative 7. All right, have a good day. See you in class.